Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the tractor with carriage. Amazing! Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. We need to wash the tractor with carriage. Ready. Let's assemble a transplanter. Hooray! First, let's fuel the transplanter. You're doing really great. Let's plant strawberries in a prepared planting hole. We need to wash the transplanter. Run the brush over the machine to remove dirt. Keep it up. Let's assemble a strawberry trimmer. Good start. First, let's fuel the strawberry trimmer. Done. Let's trim the strawberry bed. And now let's wash the strawberry trimmer. Run the brush over the machine to